uAttend Cloud is a simple-to-use, cloud-based employee time and attendance system. It offers cloud employee timesheets, simple manager approvals, and accurate employee clocking via fingerprint or facial recognition time clocks, or the uAttend employee self-service app. All data resides in the cloud, accessible anywhere on internet-connected devices, allowing teams to be easily monitored across multiple sites. A key uAttend benefit is its simplicity. Sign up within minutes, order time clocks online, and have employees clocking in via the app almost immediately after account setup. The system includes iPhone and Android apps for employee clocking, leave requests, timesheet access, and timesheet approvals. It also offers contactless facial recognition and fingerprint time clocks with user-friendly touchscreen menus. The uAttend management system provides separate admin and supervisor access controls. Edit missing times, approve timesheets for payroll export or create reports. Upon login, admins see a customisable live dashboard displaying team clocking status, missing clockings, which are directly editable via the dashboard, staff on leave, pending requests, and more. Employees are grouped into departments with simple settings for rounding, lunch deductions, overtime configuration, and work schedules if needed. To get set up, minimal employee details such as name and last name, with an optional email or login, are required initially. Later, on the employee's profile, admins can control different features such as leave, public holidays, or clocking management. To access employee time cards, a manager would click the time card menu to view teams under their management. Multiple managers can be assigned to separate department groups, with each manager only accessing their relevant teams. Administrators and payroll approvers have access to all employees. Timesheets can be controlled to require no approval, admin only, or a combination of employee, supervisor and admin approval if required. On the employee's timesheet, the predefined pay period dates are displayed. Depending on the configuration, it will start on the first day of the pay period and run for a week, fortnight or month. Clean, calculated totals show the regular base hours, 1.5 and 2.0 overtime rates, and has the ability to add several different leave types. Missing times can be directly updated by clicking the edit function and are automatically recalculated. Leave can be directly entered by the manager or requested by employees via the self-service feature on the mobile app and approved by the manager using uAttend. To directly enter leave to a timesheet, the manager clicks the plus button, adds a benefit option and then types in the value. When a manager has completed reviewing the timesheet, it can be approved, if required, by clicking on the Approve button, which stamps the manager's login to the timesheet. Once all timesheets are checked and approved, the inbuilt reports such as clockings, pay periods or timesheets can be run. To export to payroll, simply run the pay period report and preview the totals. The uAttend payroll report can be printed or emailed, and the export can also be configured to directly integrate with your payroll system. uAttend is a clean, easy-to-use, cloud-based employee time tracking solution with included mobile apps and affordable time clocks. Try simplified employee time tracking with uAttend today.